Hello guys, today we going how to find Cameraman video not Skibidi toilet on YouTube. Then go ahead search up Cameraman on YouTube. If you tired most of Cameraman video now is are from Skibidi toilet. Plus there is a sus video in short. Also there is such a Brainrot kid channel on YouTube that goes to farming Skibidi toilet for a views and ruin Skibidi toilet series. Maybe I'm sorry for this part that taking little bit long time because I'm keeping looking to see that how a video about Cameraman not from Skibidi toilet is doesn't exist anymore. So yeah, click right for link and copy it to paste on Wayback Machine. So now go to new tab and click to Google. Search that Wayback Machine. And click Wayback Machine here. In this website you can see every old version of website with link. You can close this tab if you want it. If not, it's okay. Click right then paste it here. Previous link that you copy it. Now enter it. Look, it's working. You can only see old page Cameraman. Search on YouTube in 2007 to 2021. It because people from previous year think if they save Cameraman YouTube search page, it has nothing. But now they regret it and miss old Cameraman video not from Skibidi toilet on YouTube. And he wish he can save Cameraman YouTube page every year on Wayback Machine before Skibidi toilet has come out. And you can see every old Cameraman video on YouTube before Skibidi toilet domination it. There is a Cameraman movie before Skibidi toilet movie come out in 2025. I'ma scroll down more to see old Cameraman video in this website. Now it's time to go to 2007 Cameraman old video on YouTube. While I can believe YouTube back then have a rating star like Play Store, Steam and IMDb. It's same with 2021, there is no Cameraman video from Skibidi toilet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe for more video. So yeah, bye bye everyone.